So, who thinks gonna be eliminated? I hope it's not me. I hope it's not me. I hope it's you. Why me? Because you suck. Whoa. Hey guys, can you stop blowing your brains? It's time for the elimination.
Nothing's allowed to stay the same. Friends and enemies sent away, and the teams dissolve and the hosts revolve. The game keeps on changing. So it's nice to know the only cake at stake.
Welcome to Cake at Stake. As we know, Rocky, your team successfully won the street challenge. However, Vapor, your team did not. I just hope I'm not eliminated, because if I am, well, I'm never joining this show again. We got a total of 41,559 votes. Thank you, viewers. Whoever is saved gets a drink of his Monster Energy. Can it be something naturalistic? Fine. A flower? Good. Alright, the first one saved is Swipe Pool with a total of 120 votes. Chaka. Flower Pot and Roundabout. You two are in the bottom two. What? I'm in the bottom two? Yep, you're in the bottom two. Oh, I just hope I'm not eliminated. The last person safe. And this team is... Wait, can we change your name to Upside Nature? Okay. Anyways. Okay, as I was saying, the last person saved on Upside Nature is... Grandpa. With a total of 4,000 votes, you're the last person safe. Sorry, Roundabout, but you are the god with a total of 509 votes. No! What'd you do to him? Send him away. Wait a minute. Send him away. Send him away. Oh my goodness. Right. Well, bye, guys. Oh my goodness, why can't I roll that fast? I just wanna... Ow. I'm okay. You know what? Oop. You could say Roundabout, but you're still eliminated. Yay! You can also host today's challenge. No, thank you. I want to drink some of this. But they've gone without that to the final team. And also now, no more teams. Teams are gone. Oh, I'm on away to my team. Wow. Enough talking and wasting. It's time for your next challenge. What if it is a challenge? A race. Or you know what? It's an obstacle course. What, an obstacle course? I've never been in an obstacle course before. Well, too bad. You're doing this whether you like it or not. The finish is that tree. Go. What the? No. Welcome to today's challenge. Oh my goodness. Wait, is that what I think it is? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Ow. What the? I almost made it. Oh my goodness. Not my piece. I can make it. Look at me go. I forgot to mention. The 3 people who do not win the obstacles on favorite mission. You're safe. Actually, there's 2 obvious. What? Point is, survive these things. Ouch! That really hurt. Well, that's one problem solved. No, it isn't. It's problem solving tomorrow, and I broke it again. Why do I keep walking? Does everyone knows we're the only two here? Oh, here comes Sticky. Ow! I beat Sticky, but does he still win? Yeah, he does. What? How did I not win? It's because you cool. It's because you didn't actually get to finish. You win now. Yes. Can you please get my bring back? Yeah. Where's Rocky? And ballpoint pen. We cannot do a race without them. I'm going to recover. I show you one dark cloud. Is there gonna be a thunderstorm right now? No, it isn't gonna be one Sticky. Wait, how are you talking? Yeah, no. This is. No, it isn't. The sun is just in the clouds. That's what caused you to. No. I need water so badly. Oh. What was that? You're allergic to the clouds? No, I'm allergic to when the sun is in the cloud. You know what? I'm just gonna get Rocky. And I might recover him. Oh, there's Rocky. Rocky, go. Look, here comes Rocky. Rocky, safe. Yahoo! I'm safe on me elimination tonight. Oh yeah! Ballpoint pen, what happened to you? Oh yeah, it's just... Guys, I'm now a pointy stick! Ballpoint pen, I didn't know when you in your glass you turn into a stick. That's creepy. Creepy, I even heard him. What are you talking about? Ow! Oh! Ow! 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 That really hurts! That really hurts! That really hurts! Ah! Oh, so this is a waste. Wait, say go! Whoa! It's so bad! Why is it keep moving? My corpse must work. Shaha! I knew my corpse would work someday. Stick is safe. Sticky is safe. Yes, I'm back to know. Ballpoint pen's safe. What? Wait a minute. Oh no, I forgot. Sticky? Does it mean Sticky is not a full, it's not safe? Yeah. I'm back! No! Yes, it's your spot for me! I can win! which means that white Paul secretly a Barbie pen is a revolution. Wait, about revolution the second time? Nah! Viewers, follow you want to go home, make the Google form in the description below. Whoever gets the most wants to be in it. See you guys in episode 4. Why? Gotta keep getting of elimination. That's it. Coupons activate. Everybody, hang on side. I'll close your toy.